Hey Glam Dolls, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today to share with you all some amazing goodies I scored from my local Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in seeing what all I got, I strongly suggest you all keep on watching. Okay, Glam Dolls. Oh my gosh. I have some amazing beauty items that I'm so delighted to be able to share with you all today. But before I get too far into this video, if you happen to be a newbie that's passing through, you know, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm known as for being the beauty who's on a budget that loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, period. Like, trust me, you don't want to miss what I be sharing here on this channel. You don't want to do that, like today's video of some beauty items that came from my local Dollar Tree. So I'm going to begin by digging in this bag. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you, waiting to see what did Glam find in her local Dollar Tree this time. This time I found eyelashes. Yes, Glam Dolls, eyelashes. Now, well, let's put the bag down. Hold on. Yeah, let's put the bag down. What makes these eyelashes so interesting is that they are half lashes, which means there's no commitment to a full lash band, and it still gives you the same cat eye effect. Now, if you are an official Glam Doll to this channel, which means you are a subscribed Glam Doll, you know my obsession with Ioni eyelashes that come from Dollar Tree. So when I saw the half lash band, no way was I about to leave these sitting in their inventory. I think not. Next thing up out the bag, this is so much fun. Artificial nails. Oh my gosh. Where do I begin? I recently began re-uploading artificial nail videos here on the channel. I know, right? I know. To my official Glam Dolls, y'all was like, you know, thank you, where have it been? I got them back in rotation, okay? And these right here, I will be showing you in an upcoming video. These are the French tip design nails right here. And what I love about these is you're going to get 12 in a pack for $1. But wait, it don't stop there. The 12 you're getting in the pack, I do suggest that you buy 2 packs because, you know, sizing can vary and you just want to make sure you have enough to cover all 10 of your fingers, okay? But these are the French tip version that I will be showing you how I use and apply them in an upcoming video. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. You better hit that subscribe button. Come on, we got some new videos that's rolling out here on this channel that you don't want to begin missing. You don't want to begin missing. What else is in this bag? So much fun. Oh, okay. More artificial nails. She's not playing. I have them in blue now. These are the blue ones, 24 in a pack for only $1.25. okay, 24 nails for $1.25. The math is mathing. Where else are you going to get this type of quality salon looking artificial nails for $1.25? I'll wait. Go ahead, find them. I'll wait. And while I'm waiting, I also picked them up in the mauve color. Yes, they are metallic and a matte color. And what another thing I love about these nails, right? If I wanted to, they the same shape, they the same size, and they the same length. So you know what I could do? Mix them together. Yes, I can have blue and mauve nail design tips. So when it comes to the artificial nails, just because the pack has one design, you don't have to commit to that one design that's in the pack. If it's the same shape, the same size, the same length, you can alternate and create your own custom, one-of-a-kind, salon-ready looking manicured hand nail look for $2 and what? 50 cents. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. What else we got right here? Oh, I picked up some of the vitamin C illuminating lotion. It provides hydration and helps the skin to appear more radiant. What I'm loving about this lotion in particular is not only that it smells incredible. Okay, the smell good is smelling good. Not only does it smell incredible, it has little tiny reflects of glitter in it, so when you put it on your skin, you're going to get that radiant glow effect with this right here. This lotion right here, scored it right in the beauty aisle. Okay, I'll be telling you all, stop sleeping the beauty aisle in your local Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, so many good goodies. LA Colors Cosmetics. Okay, LA Colors Cosmetics, if you are an official glam doll to this channel, and you're going to hear me say that a lot, if you're an official glam doll to this channel, which means you are a what? Subscribe glam doll. You, of all people, you know my obsession when it comes to LA Colors Cosmetics. I mean, they the reason that even inspired me to create my own cosmetic brand. I bet you didn't know that, huh? You ain't know about Miss Glamour Addict Cosmetics, MissGlamourAddict.com? I feel a shopping spree coming on. Make sure you visit the website. Sign up for my beauty alerts on MissGlamourAddict.com so you will never miss the deals and alerts that I be sending out, okay? It's down in the description box below. So anyway, LA Colors Cosmetics. These are the eye markers, all right? Talk about a precise precision when it comes to your wing liner of perfection. This is going to do it for you right here. I have it in black, I have it in blue, and I have it in brown. Okay, these are the eye markers, so I got those. Okay, oh, I picked up some Hey Humans. If you are not familiar with this brand, skincare brand, Hey Human is from actually Jada Pinkett. I'm telling you, a while back in 2021, Jada Pinkett launched the Hey Human lines, but after the controversy and drama that was going on with her and Will Smith, for the various reasons in which I pretty much think all of us got a gist of, this disappeared off the market. Yeah, it's still being sold on Amazon for like $25 a bottle, okay? Or you can get it in Target for I think like $10 a bottle, or you get it from Dollar Tree for $1.25 a bottle. Okay, just because products is in Dollar Tree, it do not mean there's something wrong with them. I'm just saying. And it smells incredible. It's definitely giving a spa type vibe, and this scent is called Lavender Vanilla. So it's very, very soothing, ultra moisturizing. I mean, talk about intense moisture on your skin. This is going to do it for you right there. That's going to do it for you. Oh my god, my video's almost over. What else? Okay, some more artificial nails I picked up. They kind of like have black tips on them. Super cool, and look, even match what I'm wearing right now. That's what I'm talking about. I should have put these on for the video, but you'll see these in an upcoming video. So I got some more of that. Oh my gosh, the last two things and my video is over. All right. Oh, three things. Okay, it's three different things. So I got a headband. Oh, whoop-de-doo. It's just a regular black headband. I feel you can't go wrong with black, so I just got a black headband. Then last pack of artificial nails. They only have one of this design left, so I made sure to pick this up because I do have other nails in my nail collection that is the same length, the same shape, but in a different color. So I will be combining these along with those and creating a custom manicured hand look. And the last thing I have to share with you, and then my video is over, is an actual hand glove, exfoliating hand glove. So remember I showed you the mitt that was great for your face, and I was like, you could use it for your body, but you don't really want to do that. Ha ha ha. I got the actual glove, which looks like this right here. And on that note, doll, that have now just concluded the video. Kind of sucks, but I was having fun sharing it all with you. Oh my gosh. So like I said, when it comes to shopping at your local Dollar Tree, don't get dismissive out of that beauty aisle. There's always some hidden gems going on in there. And I do have another Dollar Tree haul coming up for you. That's some miscellaneous goodies. That is a guaranteed video you don't want to miss. Seriously, I gotta put this stuff up. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm gonna go and begin putting these things away. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.